Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. We just finished up stage 3 in this beautiful brand new Harley-Davidson Road Glide. So we did the DB Drive motos in the fairing, HKI Mini DSP. Of course, we flashed the radio, Hertz 690 Leos in the lid, and Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers in the bag, 2 sound digital 800.4s. How do you like the way it sounds?
It's unbelievable, man. Couldn't ask for a better crew people to work on the bike. Carlos is top-notch, so is his crew.
Thank you, sir.
I've been going right around, go that relay. Pass it the tone, back to the mall, swimming in the pool, can't you come on? Want a piece of this, a piece of mine, my piece of sign. So why you keep it bottled up? Open, let me show you what I can do. I got nothing to prove if the pressure.
Recently, niggas frontin' ain't saying nothing, so I just speak my peace, keep my peace. Cubans with the Jesus peace, with my peace. Asking who want it, you got it, nigga flaunt it. That Brooklyn bullshit, we on it.
Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes your words just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways.